So friends, now I am preparing Arthur's bag for school. So this is the book that I'll make chicken spread.
आगे तो प्रिंसिपल ने बोला था कुछ
So friends, now I am preparing Arthur's bag for school. So this is the book that he got from school. This is the general knowledge workbook for kindergarten. So this is the workbook that they will be using. So I'm going to write his name because obviously we have to write his name in all his copies and everything. So now I'm going to write names. So friends, this is his Urdu copy and this he will be studying. So friends, I wrote his name and this is his Urdu workbook. This is his general knowledge workbook. So guys, I put these books in his bag. So there are more books that will go in it. This is his pencil box. I'm going to write his name on it. These stationaries will go in it, in his pencil box. So his pencil box is ready. So I kept it inside his bag. All these things, ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने आर्थर के बैग में डाल दिया है. That's a pencil box, his books, his copies, everything. अभी हम लोग के पास ये है Play-Doh है. There are 3 Play-Dohs basically. One is in pink, blue and purple. The pink one Arthur is playing with. I mean like he is thinking that it's for house. So ये हम लोग को अभी लेबल करना है. I'm going to write his name on it. ये इसका नाम लिख दिया है मैंने आर्थर का. So I got hold of this pink one which Arthur was playing. So I'm going to write his name on it. So now I'm going to put this inside his bag. These are the printing white sheets that they have asked. So I'm going to write his name on it too. So friends, these 3 things are left to put: the color pencils, paintbrush, glue, and these are the poster colors. So I've labeled his name. So friends, you can see that Arthur's bag is filled with his books, his paints, his stuff. And now let's see on the first day how much things the school will keep, and we'll check that how bag is heavy is going to be. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये है आर्थर का बैग. इट्स इन ब्लू कलर. आर्थर का फेवरेट कलर है ब्लू. ही लव्स ब्लू कलर. और ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने बैग में डाल दिया है. और अभी वेट करेंगे कि स्कूल में आर्थर की जो चीज़ें टीचर लेंगे क्लास में रखने के लिए वो क्या होंगे और बैग कितने बुक्स के साथ होगा. सो लेट्स सी. Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog. I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So friends, today is a very good exciting day for me, for my son Arthur and for my husband Austin, because today is Arthur's first day in kindergarten. So there's a lot of preparations that we are doing for him. Like today morning I got up, I am making his cornflake, then we'll be preparing his break. So friends, today is his first day, so I just thought of giving him his favorite lunch for break today. So today I will be making a chicken sandwich which he really love. Along with that, I will be giving some biscuits for him also, so that he can enjoy his lunch. So as you can see that I've blended the chicken and I've put mayonnaise in it. Now I'm going to mix and add a little bit of black pepper. Salt obviously you have put when you are boiling chicken, so you don't need to put salt again, but it's entirely up to you. If you feel that the salt is less, then you can add salt to it, but I did not add salt. So now as you can see that my spread is ready and the bread is ready too. So abhi I took a bread. I will cut the sides because Arthur को बिल्कुल भी जो bread का slice होता है उनका जो sides होते हैं he doesn't like it. So I've cut that and now I have put the spread in the bread, chicken spread, and as you can see that this is the lunch box that he loves taking it. So I'll be putting his sandwich inside this lunch box. सो मैंने इस लंच बॉक्स में ये सैंडविच डाल दिया है. इसके साथ मैं ये बिस्किट्स भी डाल दूँगी बिकॉज़ ही लव्स ईटिंग बिस्किट. एंड ये जो बॉटल है ये आर्थर का फेवरेट बॉटल है. बेसिकली क्यों फेवरेट है, क्योंकि जब हम लोग बच्चा पार्टी गए थे तो हम लोग ये वाटर बॉटल भी लेके आए थे. एंड नाउ आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग हिज बैग. एज यू ऑल कैन सी सारी चीज़ें जो है इसके बैग में डाल दिया है. हिज बैग इज़ लुकिंग हैवी बट इट्स हिज फर्स्ट डे, सो देर बी सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट विल बी टेकन फ्रॉम द बैग एंड विल बी गिवन टू द टीचर on the first day. So let's see, and I'm very excited. As you can see that Arthur will be carrying this bag today. Usually for Montessori he would carry a very small mini bag, and Arthur's getting ready. As you can see that he's wearing his uniform and he's almost ready and he's going to school by the grace of Almighty God.